Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 125PS 290 front-wheel drive L1 very cheap high-roof custom grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 245,841. MOT, 16 October 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Passenger side CV joint is clicking and will need replacing soon. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, parking sensor.